Thanks to Espresso Display for sending me this lovely display and some other things. If you haven't seen those other videos, check the playlist. And of course, here is the folio-like screen protector, screen cover, and kickstand. Let's show you how this works. I'm going to place the monitor out of the way here. Let's open this real quick and get into it. So it comes in the box, just as simple as that. Has this nice kind of texture back to it. Kind of reminds me of some of like the Surface keyboard textures. Take it out of the case, or out of the box, excuse me. Let's get the box out of the way. And it's just this one piece, but as you see, it's got like this felt lining on the inside of it. Let me this table wiped off here. Got this felt lining on the inside of it to kind of protect the screen. Of course, I got stuff on it. Let me grab the monitor. And so how that works is it's going to magnetically attach, and make sure I attach this kind of correctly here. So it attaches like that on the top, closes shut, and now you have this nice package that can fit in your bag. You can carry under your arm, throw it in a briefcase, whatever. Carry it with you. It protects the screen. And of course, it also kind of acts like a kickstand. So it can be folded around, and then you'll see it fold around, and then it kind of goes up against it. And then you will fold this the other way. It can act like a kickstand, so it bends out there and you get an angle from it. As you see there, nice angle. And then you can set it down on your table. And it acts like a nice kickstand. Of course, protects it. Kind of gives it that Surface-like look. Trying to give you a close-up of the angle there. So it looks nice. Then when you're done, you just flip it back around, press that back down. Of course, wipe it off. And now you're good to go. It is very rigid, very solid. Of course, stay tuned to my full review of this product, or I should say of this monitor, where I will cover kind of the long-term use of using this as well. This is kind of an unboxing, how to put it on, and initial impressions. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. If you like this video, give it some thumbs up. And comment down below any thoughts, opinions, questions, and the like. Thanks for watching.